Welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will make something fun, simple and quick, a 3D printed guitar pick. There are many guitar picks on the market, but with 3D printing, we can design our own pick. We can choose the shape, thickness, and then the edge style however we want. I designed this one using DesignSpark Mechanical. I keep the design simple on purpose. And first, I start with a basic circle shape, about 25mm in diameter. Then I add a pick tip about 10mm long. After that, I make the tip edges rounded, add chamfer on the sides, and add a hole in the center to improve grip. The result is a pick that looks different from common picks. If you want a normal pick shape, you can also trace a product photo in the design software. After the design is finished, I do the slicing, then I print it. For filament, I use PLA Plus because it is easy to print and strong enough for this experiment. And this is the result. You can see it looks different from regular guitar picks. Now let's test and compare the sound. First, I play in clean mode. You can hear a small difference. I think this comes from the shape and the thickness of the edges. Now let's try with distortion. Here the difference is more clear. The sound feels more rough and the attack is a bit different from a normal pick. Overall, it is fun to use, but there is one problem. The pick tip is too long, so it is not very comfortable or accurate. So I edit the design a little. I make the tip shorter, now about 5mm long. This is the revised version. It feels much more comfortable and has better control. I also make a few more versions with different hole patterns for grip. My personal favorite is the one with many holes. If you want to try this yourself, I put the design file link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.